In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy shoes on Dhgate. We'll start right from the homepage and walk through choosing a pair, selecting the right color and size, and adding it to your cart. First, open your web browser and go to dhgate.com. When the site loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type the word shoes, then press the search button to see the results. You'll now be on a results page filled with different styles. This is your chance to browse all the items. Take a moment to look through the photos and titles and skim the brief descriptions so you can spot the type of shoe you want. If you see prices that vary by options, that's normal. The final price will reflect the color and size you choose on the product page. Scroll until you find a pair that matches what you're looking for. Once you've found an item you like, click on it to open the product page. Here, you'll see more images, a detailed description, and the choices you need to make before buying. Start by checking the available colors. Click the color option that matches what you want so the images and price update accordingly. Next, and most important, check the size. Sizing on international marketplaces can differ from what you're used to, so don't rely only on your usual number. Look for the size options and review the measurements listed for each one. Use the size guide on the page to find your exact fit. The guide typically shows foot length in centimeters and how that maps to the seller's sizes. If you're unsure, measure your foot from heel to toe on a piece of paper and compare it to the chart. A quick double check here helps you avoid returns and delays. After you've selected the color and the correct size, you're ready to add the shoes to your cart. Click Add to Cart. A small confirmation usually appears, letting you know the item has been added and your selected options are saved in the cart. That's it. You went to the site, searched for shoes, browsed the results, opened a product you liked, chose a color, verified your size using the size guide, and added the item to your cart. You can continue shopping or review your cart when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.